The topic is features of GUI. First of all, what is GUI? GUI is graphical user interface. Graphical means graphics, and user interface means an interface between you and the computer. Like whatever you see on your screen when you open your computer or laptop, you see little icons here. This all is whatever you are seeing on screen is graphics. Okay, suppose there is an icon my computer, right? So to open my computer, you just double click on the icon. You don't write lines of codes or programs to open my computer. So that is what graphical. And user interface means this interface is letting you communicate between you and the computer. Okay, so this is graphical user interface, such as for example Microsoft Windows and Apple and your Android phones, Apple phones, whatever you using graphics. Alright, means not writing text but using these graphics. Now what are features of GUI? Let's see. The first one is pointer. What is a pointer? A symbol that appears on the display screen and that you move to select objects and commands. Usually the pointer appears as a small angled arrow like this. Can you see how? You use this in your computers, right? Usually text processing applications use I-beam pointer that is shaped like a capital I. Means whenever you are doing something, working on suppose Microsoft Word, whatever if the application is using text, then how the pointer appears? Like this, right? Like this. The next one is pointing device. What is pointing device? A device such as a mouse or a trackball, or when you use your touchpad in the laptops, whatever that enables you to select objects on the display screen. Display screen क्या है? जो monitor आपको दिख रहा है, that is your display screen. The next one is icons. What are icons? Icons are small pictures that represent commands, files or windows. When you open your screen, here comes the icons like my computer or whatever applications that are installed in your computer or laptops or your phones. By moving the pointer to the icon and pressing a mouse button, you can execute a command or convert the icon into a window. Convert the icon into the window, what does that mean? Suppose this icon is my computer, alright, you double click this, so this converts into windows, means a screen will open a window like this, which is my computer. All this will be hidden and then my computer will open. This is known as window. You can also move the icons around to display screen. You can also move the icons around the display screen as if they were real objects on your desk. Like you can there are icons, you can just click, hold and move them around wherever you want to place the icon on the desktop. The next one is desktop. The area on the display screen, this area on the display screen where icons are grouped is often referred to as the desktop, because the icons are intended to represent real objects on a real desktop. Alright, this is what desktop. The next one is windows. Now you can divide the screen into different areas. In each window you can run a file or any different program or display a different file. You can move windows around the display screen and change their shape and size, whatever you want. See how? When you open your computer, suppose this is your computer, these are some icons and here you have the taskbar, right? Suppose you have opened my computer, so my computer will display here. Suppose you have opened the browser will open here. So when you click my computer or uh, from the icon or the taskbar, then a window will appear, that is known as what? My computer. If you click browser, then again another window will open. What is that? Browser. So these are what? Different windows. All right. Now what about menus? Most GUIs, most graphical user interfaces, let you execute commands by selecting a choice from the menu. Like how, suppose you have a file, you right click it, a menu appears, right? If you want to rename it or copy it or cut it or um, move it into the another folder and so many more, right? In addition to these visual components, graphical user interfaces also make it easier to move data from one application to another. For example, to copy a graph created by spreadsheet means Excel sheet, from that program you can copy that into a document created by a word processor. Isn't it easy? You have created suppose some graph in Excel, you can copy it in where? In Word, the same graph, right? This is about features of GUI.